I will show you how to change your channel handle on YouTube. So let's see how it's done. First, open your YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left side of the screen, click on the Customization tab. Once the customization page opens, look toward the right side of the screen. You will find the option to change your channel handle in this field. When choosing a handle, it is always a good idea to use one that relates to your channel and the type of videos you create. You can type in your preferred channel handle and check if it is available. If the handle is already being used by another channel, you will need to try a different handle until you find one that is available. And this will become your custom channel URL, youtube.com/your-channel-handle. The channel handle can also be changed only twice within a period of 14 days. After entering the new channel handle, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the page. The changes will be saved right away. Now to confirm the change, we can go to the channel page and check whether the channel handle has been updated. And that's it. This is how you can change your channel handle on YouTube. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.